That dude's a boss. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. Let's take a look at this guy. Under a bobber fishing. This is Steve, and I'm fishing today in the rain, and the ground is muddy, and we're just gonna see what happens. It's been raining a lot here in Ohio, and this pond is way up. This is my favorite pond in Westerville, Ohio. We're gonna see how it does today. Not sure, but I was thinking about going somewhere else today, but just because of the weather, I decided to stay close. I'm gonna put a line in and see if the fish are biting. All right, I got a fish. Let's see what we got. Little guy. Okay. Nice looking guy, but little. There he is. There he is. Thank you, buddy. All right, I got another fish. Move down the bank just a little bit. All right. Got this guy. Nice looking bluegill. There he is. All right. Thank you, buddy. Got another one. Okay. Nice looking guy. A little parasite on his fin there, but that's okay. There he is. Thank you, buddy. Got one right by the bank here. Let's see what we have. Oh, yeah. Nice. Take a look at him. Ooh. Wow, this guy's got a ton of parasites on him. There he is. Thank you, buddy. Got another one right by the bank here. Oh, that's the biggest of the day. Wow. Kind of cool. Oh yeah, he's fat. Fat and thick. There he is. Nice looking guy. Okay, there we go. Thank you, buddy. Got another fish. I moved down the bank a little bit. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, this one's now the biggest of the day. Wow, look at that dude. That serious rust color on his breast there. That's amazing. Wow, that's a big guy. That's a big guy. He's maybe 8 inches. Maybe 8 inches. Let's see if we can get him off here. There he is. All right. Nice job, buddy. Thank you, buddy. All right, I got another one. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Wow. Almost looks like it could be the same exact fish. Dude. I threw it in the same spot. There he is. Nice looking guy with that rust colored breast. All right. Nice. Thank you, buddy. Okay. Got a fish. Move down the bank again just a little bit. Got this nice guy. Oh, he got in the weeds a little bit. I thought maybe he was a little bigger. He's still a solid bluegill. Not as big as I thought he was going to be, though, because he got in the weeds. There he is. Right there. Excellent. Nice job, buddy. And another one. I don't think this one's that big. Let's see. Nah, he's not giant. He's not tiny, though. Still solid fish. 6.5 inches, maybe. And a little thick, as a lot of them are in this pond right now. Thank you, buddy. Got another fish. Very next cast. Hit it immediately. If you watch my channel, you know that I love using the Gulp Alive Minnows, and I wacky rig them. And lately I've been putting them on an Aberdeen hook, just because it's a little easier to get them off if they happen to choke the hook really far down, which I was running into. But there he is. This is the small guy, probably the smallest one of the day. That's all right. Thank you, buddy. Okay, I got one. All right, I actually had another fish hooked, and he got off, and as soon as he got off, I saw this one get it. So that's kind of good. This guy, same type of deal. He's not super long. He's maybe 7.5 inches, but he's thick. Woo! He's really hooked too. Man, I may have to use my pliers on him. Wow. He was just hooked in the mouth, but for some reason I was having trouble getting the hook out. There he is. He's fine. Thank you, buddy. Uh-oh. It's not fine now. Can you make it to the water? Oh, let's help him. Oh, he's gone. He made it. Oh, no, he's right here. Go, keep going, buddy. Keep going, buddy. There you go. One. All right. Wow. What do we have here? It's got some serious orange on it. Let's see if we can get a good look at him. Good looking guy. All right, there he is. Thank you, buddy. Okay, got another fish. What did I get? Oh yeah, that's a tough guy. I moved down the bank just a little bit. I'm actually kind of way up on a hill because it's so flooded right by the bank there. There he is. Thank you, buddy. Got one. Came out of the water a little bit, but I don't think he's that big. Let's see. Oh, it's a pumpkin seed. Nice. Finally. Haven't had one of those today yet. I like catching these guys. They're good looking. You see that little rust color on the behind the ear flap there, and they just look a little different. That's it. He took it well. Nice job, buddy. Got another fish, very next cast, and it was right away. Let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, that's a big guy. Nice bluegill, excellent bluegill. Oh yeah. Nice. He's 8 inches, easy. Easy. All right. There he is. Thank you, buddy. Doing this in the rain and the wind and the cold, so you don't have to. Got another one. Very next cast, and it was within 10 seconds. What do we get? Nice bluegill. All the big guys are are eating today. Kind of nice. Nice to be getting some decent fish for standing out in the rain and the cold here. Thank you, buddy. Fish. Very next cast once again. They are stacked right here. Oh, this is a good one. Oh yeah, he's a tough guy. You know, honestly, he's not super long, but he's super fat. Oh yeah, he's okay. I mean, he's 7.5 inches at least, but he's thick. Look how thick he is. Super thick guy. Come on now. There we go. There he is. Thank you, buddy. All right, got another one. Once again, very next cast. Let's see what we have. He's not that big. Nah. He was a good fighter, though, actually. I could tell he wasn't going to be as big as some of those other ones just now. Oh! Dude. Ah. Okay. Really want to get in front of him here because I don't want to have to go down that hill to get him. Let's see. All right, I'm trying to help you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. There it goes. Okay, they've been biting pretty well, so I'm just going to throw it out here. See if we can get the whole thing on camera and see if I can get a quick bite and catch. The wind's blowing it right now is what's happening. There we go, now we have a bite. Did I get him? I did get him. Okay, he's not big. Pumpkin seed though. Oh, I'll take that. I didn't have to wait too long for that. There he is upside down. You made the show upside down, buddy. There he is. Nice pumpkin seed. Thank you, buddy. Okay, I got a fish. Really hit it hard, but now that I'm reeling him in, he doesn't seem that big. Let's see. Oh no, he's a nice big bluegill. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, good guy. There he is. The fatty. No offense, buddy. It just means you're a good eater. There he is. Thank you, buddy. Did I get him? Okay, I got him. What'd I get? Oh yeah. Those nice rust-colored bluegill. Right, there he is. Looking good, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Another one, very next cast. You know, it's obviously not a nice day to sit here and stand on the bank and just look at the water. But you want to catch fish like I do, sometimes you got to brave the elements and get out there and do it. And today, these fish are slamming the Gulp Alive Minnows, Wacky rigged on an Aberdeen hook. Thank you, buddy. Got another fish, very next cast. Ooh, this one's fighting pretty well. Let's see what we have here. Might just be a good fighter. Oh yeah, he's not huge, but good fighter. That often happens. It's not always the biggest fish of the day that fought the best. This guy did well. There he is. Thank you, buddy. Got another fish. Very next cast. Oh, he's pulling hard. He's pulling into that bush. What is it? A tough guy bluegill. And he's not huge. But again, this one, he's fat. Oh my gosh, look at the belly on this guy. Look how thick. But he's not that long. He's maybe 7 inches. But he's heavy and fat, and he was a great fighter. So always fun to catch a fish like that. That's what makes bluegill fishing so much fun. Thank you, buddy. All right, another fish on the very next cast. I don't think this one's that big. Nope, not that big, but he adds to the total. Because I'm fishing out here in the cold and the rain. So you don't have to. Thank you, buddy. Got him. Another fish. This one's way out there, a little further away than where I've been catching them. But this was the very next cast, and he's not that big. Oh, well. Is he? Yeah, he's bigger than I thought. You just can't always tell. You know, sometimes it's how you hook them where they might not fight as well. But there he is. Nice looking guy. Thank you, buddy. Got him. All right. I haven't seen one colored like this today. That's sort of the more pinkish belly. It's all right. Kind of a little guy. Thank you, buddy. Got another one. Whoa. This one's spinning around like a record, baby. All right. There he is. Little guy. That's probably now the smallest one of the day. And still, he took it super well. He really took that underwater. It was excellent. Good job, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Okay, I got him. I think he's tiny. Oh, yeah. Well, now we're competing for the tiniest fish of the day. Maybe the big guys have said the little guys are allowed to eat now. I don't know. There he is. Still appreciate you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Got one. I moved down the bank again. I like to do that just to kind of see what's going on. Oh, we got a pumpkinseed. Pumpkinseed sunfish. Nice. Oh yeah, he's a big guy. He's curling his tail up. You can't really see how big he is, but he's thick. Look how thick he is. Nah, buddy, you're fine. You're all right. You're all right. Okay, let's get you unhooked here. There he is. Thank you, buddy. That one. This one's not very big, I don't think. No. You can't always tell, but all right, there he is, little guy. Thank you, buddy. Okay, I got one who attacked it hard. Let's see what we have. Okay. A decent bluegill. Not huge, but he's a tough guy. Let's get a good shot of him here. There he is. Uh-oh. Oh, I scooch him with my foot. Thank you, buddy. Oh, now we're going to use the rod. Thank you, buddy. Go. Swim. Be free. Come on, dude. There he goes. Got another one. What do we have here? Alright. Medium-sized bluegill. But he's fighting well. Yeah, actually he might be. Maybe he's not even quite medium-sized. He's a little smaller than that. That's alright. Thank you, buddy. Got one. Let's see what we have here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice. That dude's a boss. Oh, yeah, that's a nice fish. Let's take a look at this guy. He's all tail curled up. He's an 8-inch bluegill. Nice. Let's, and as I've been saying, this guy is thick and fat. A lot of them are right now. Okay. There he is. Excellent. Thank you, buddy. Okay, I got a fish. He's not very big, I don't think. Nope. That's all right. Oh, take a look at him. There he is, little guy. Okay. There he is. Thank you, buddy. I don't know, something happened on my video there, but I did catch fish. Right here. Sort of a medium-sized guy. There he is. Thank you, buddy. Okay, got a fish. Wow. This is a little guy, but he took it super hard initially. Sometimes they do that. Get y'all excited that maybe it's a bass or something, and then nope, it's a little bluegill. That's all right. Thank you, buddy. This is Steve from Under a Bobber Fishing. I'm going to throw my line out one last time. It's been a pretty prolific day. Mostly bluegill with some pumpkinseed sunfish thrown in there. But you know, you throw those Gulp Alive Minnows out there and sometimes brings a bass or a catfish. Today that didn't happen, but that's all right. Fishing was still really good. There were tons of fish. I always have a good time catching them. So the rain is actually just stopping, but I've been in the fishing for just shy of 2.5 hours, and it's been a steady rain the whole time. Not pouring, but more than sprinkling. So I'm totally drenched and a little cold at this point. But that's going to be it. It doesn't even look like I'm getting a bite here. So until next time, this is Under a Bobber Fishing. Bye.